This video will be very dear to me, and it will be very dear to you because this video we're going to talk about beginners. Credit card for beginners. Mistakes that people make when getting a credit card. Doesn't matter what age you are. Now, in today's world, we think that the 18, 19-year-old, 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds are the people that are beginners when it comes to getting a credit card. But that's not true. People in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or even 70s are just the beginners of getting credit cards. So at this time and age, there's no such thing as the age with getting a credit card. So beginners' mistakes when it comes to getting a credit card. One, when people think about credit cards, they don't need to go and apply for 5 or 6 credit cards at the same time or within 1 year. One advice I can give you is to not apply for so many credit cards at one time when you're a beginner when it comes to getting your first credit card. My philosophy, I'm just giving you information that I have learned over the years. I am no financial expert. I don't have a certificate, but I have advice based on my background, based on the things I have learned over the years. To me, the best advice is when you learn from your mistakes. And you're gonna learn from my mistakes, the things I share, because this is what I did. So any advice I'm giving you is based on mistakes that I have made. By watching my videos, you're gonna know that you don't wanna make this mistake. Number one, don't apply for so many credit cards at one time when you are a beginner. Apply for 2 credit cards in the beginning. 2 credit cards. In the description of this video will be a Capital One link. Apply. The great thing about Capital One is if you apply for 1 credit card and they turn you down, they'll give you a counter offer on what you qualify for. So again, don't apply for so many credit cards at one time. Your first year, apply for 2 credit cards. My recommendation is Capital One. Next thing what you want to do when you get that credit card and you start using it, think about use it and pay it off. Use it and pay it off. So I'm gonna give you an example. In Michigan, we have our electric company is Detroit Edison. We call it DTE. If your electric bill is, let's just say, $80 a month, and then you budget it out for spending gas in your automobile as $200 a month, you're gonna do it. Set that money aside in your account for $200 for gas and $80 for your electric bill. So you have $280 that you have set aside in your account. Use your credit card, but pay it off at the end of the month. Pay it off. That's gonna help you generate. Let Capital One or any credit card company know that you have the ability to pay. But the reason I'm telling you to pay it off because you're not gonna pay any interest on that. You wanna do this while you're developing credit. You are in the beginning stages. And I'm gonna recommend even after you have that credit card for a year or 2, you still do the same thing. You still follow the same habits. But what I've learned, if you start off with good habits, you'll form those habits. Again, when you start off with those good habits, you'll form those habits. So pay that credit card bill off every month. Know that those 3 digits will follow you everywhere you go. And you're probably saying, Regina, what are those 3 digits? Those 3 digits are your credit score. Your credit score is going to follow you for the rest of your life. Know that. And know that the reason I'm telling you to pay that credit card bill off every month because it's 10% of your credit utilization when it comes to your credit card. So you want to what? You want to keep that low. So pay it off. Don't buy something that you can't pay off every month, especially if you are a beginner. Especially if you're a beginner. So I'm going to make this, I just wanted to make this nice and short because we know that sometimes our attention span is not going to last over 6 or 7 minutes. In some cases, in my cases, it's not going to last over 7 minutes because I'm going to be done and on to the next video. So again, hit that link in the bottom for that Capital One and get your credit started. You are a beginner, so get your credit started. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. All right.